learn to take mimicry to a whole new level. You ready to show them what I mean? Very good. Thank you. You know, the really amazing thing about Groucho is he actually knows the words to 7 different songs. Now, do y'all want to hear another song? Yeah? Wow, Groucho, they're awfully sweet. How about you give everybody here a great big kiss? Well, good stuff, that kiss. I agree. You know, Groucho, we'd all really like to hear another song. Can you pick another one for everybody? Any song you like. And that's Groucho.
Really nice job. Now, I know what you're thinking. To resist the urge to race off to the pet shop and buy a parrot after hearing Groucho. No, they're not all like Groucho. He's 1 in a million. Never seen another one close to that guy. You know, most parrots never talk in their entire life. They bite very hard, they scream very loud, usually about sunup every morning. I think they're probably the most challenging pets you can ever have in your house.